Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Monkey Mischief. New game. But yeah, what's up guys? I have never played this. It just got downloaded. So yeah, let's play it, cause why not? It seems fun, right? Juked. Yeah, multiplayer costs money in this. That's why I'm not playing with people. I ain't wasting my money on something that's not even funny. Damn, I rhymed. Oni-chan. Ayo, bro, what the? Ooh, fish game. I have fish game. Yeah, that will be in my next video. I will be showing you guys fish game in my next video. Spoilers, bro. Oh. Yeah, boy. Oh no, swear to God. Bro, I legit thought I had hand tracking on for a second, lol. No. Bro, I have twig arms. Bruh, no, I fail. If you guys play this game, please let me know how you get up there, bro. I think I just broke my arms. Yeah, no offense, but if you don't have Gorilla Tag, you're a bozo. But if you only just got the Oculus, you're not. Oh yeah, I just want to say, if the comments are turned on, please tell me in the comments how to get there. But like, guys, I'm warning you, there's a new headset coming out. It's not done yet, but there's a new headset coming out, and it actually kills you, like in real life. And it's coming out soon. So yeah, guys, I'm just warning you. Like, no, I don't want you guys to die. You guys are my loyal fans. Unless you're not a loyal fan, screw it, no, I'm joking. Every person's life matters. I don't know why people protest saying Black Lives Matter. Like, no one ever said they didn't. I mean, they did in the olden times, but like, bro, that's like years ago. Like, how the flip do you still be mad at us, bro? Can I get out? No! Oh, Quagmire, lend me your powers. Lend me your giggity giggity goo. Oh no. Help me. I am brain damaged in 7 different parts of my body. If you touch the floor, you're gay. GTA players. No offense, but Minecraft players. I'm so good. Bro, try to trick shot out of that. This is in my opinion. Fortnite players, we do not care. Bro, imagine not being a Sigma. Bro, if I land this 360, I'm a Sigma. Oh my gosh, yeah, I landed it. I'm a Sigma balls. Hey, yo, excuse me. I can't get to that slide all the way up there because I don't know how to. If you know how to, please tell me how to. Oh yeah, guys, let me know in the comments if horror mode's scary or not, because I really don't want to go in it. Oh! Whoa! What are these? Now what? Bought it. Now what? Where's the mirror? As I said, this is my first time to playing this. Oh yeah, legit. I'm joking. I don't know if it costs money. My friend said it does. I don't know. I'm making it up that mountain. This is the last thing I have to do. I'm making... Bro, look at my fat chest, bro. Dog, stop getting in my way. Intense moment. If I do not make it up here, I'm gay. Oh shit. Oh no. I'm not gay. No. Oof. If I make it up here, GTA is the best game ever. Straight facts, bro. Look at my arms. Woo! Give me the penguin. I go fast, boy. Boy. Lend me your speed. Lolly-dee, lolly-doo. Ow, I just hit my bed, bro. Bro, help me. My arms are inside out, bro. Yeah, guys, tell me if there's some other maps, but that's going to be it for the video. Peace, guys.